So, hi dear Capricorn, very good afternoon to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of Feb 2026. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Overall energy for Capricorn people for this month. Let's see what we have. Overall energy for Capricorn people for this month. We have Two of Wands, Three of Cups, and Queen of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles. Okay, I think every one of us is having a choice or decision to make this month. Almost similar energies of the collective today, like from last 3 days. Two of Wands, Three of Cups, Queen of Swords. You are on the verge of making a very solid choice or very bold decision when it comes to some kind of partnership, collaboration, coming together, coming back together. Either there is a choice between two things, two people, two situations, and you have to choose one, and or you are waiting for the proper time when you're going to get the proper clarity about a collaboration, partnership, about some kind of connection or bond, whether to keep it going or leave it behind completely, right? So you guys are going to make sure that this month you guys are going to make that particular choice or decision and stick to that one, because bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles, so that you guys can be in a stable space of your life and you can move forward without any kind of guilt, regret, and or any kind of confusion. So Capricorn, your focus area is going to be mostly about making a solid choice, solid decision regarding a particular situation that is might be making you a little bit confused or making you a little bit unstable in your energies. Okay, so you guys are going to be focused on making that choice or decision of yours and moving forward accordingly. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening, Cappies, for you guys. Page of Wands. Okay, you guys are very excited. You were having some curious energies. You guys were like, okay, let's start from the start. Let's have a brand new beginning. Let's do something. You were open and curious to the energies of having a brand new beginning in a particular direction. Whether you were just exploring something or you felt like it can become something serious, but for the time being, let's enjoy it. Okay, you were trying to enjoy something in the recent past with childlike innocence and a lot of curiosity. Currently, we have the Ten of Cups. Now, you guys are super focused on creating some kind of meaningful connections or bonds, or something related to your house or family kind of environment is very important. By the end of this month, let's see what we have. The Chariot. You guys are going to be super determined, super open to the idea of moving forward no matter how many obstacles or challenges you guys are going to face in a particular situation. Success is inevitable. That's something that you are focused on. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening. We have the Page of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Okay, now there was a fresh energy, very fresh, very clean, very childlike. You guys were trying to start something with all of your heart and soul, with practicality, with curiosity. You guys were trying to make something work out, and it was something very important to you. It was like a soul connection, whether it was related to a romantic relationship, or it was related to a job or career or finances or something else. It was something that was very close to your heart and soul, and you really wanted to make it work out and to make it succeed. Currently, we have the Ten of Cups. Your focus right now is on emotional happiness, emotional happiness, family kind of energies. Let's clarify this. Ten of Cups. We have the Two of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. Now you guys are, in this dilemma or confusion of how to keep yourself happy, how to keep your family happy, or those people happy who really matters to you, and at the same time keeping your independence and individuality intact. Okay, there is some kind of back and forth, on and off, in and out kind of energies going on, where you guys are trying your best to keep your individuality, your freedom also intact, and keeping those people, situations, or scenarios happy, your family mostly, that are very very important to you. So you guys are trying your best to keep yourself happy as well, and the people around you happy as well, and it's a little bit of um, back and forth, up and down energy, because you are trying your best to balance it out, but somehow the scales are up and down always. Okay, it's not, it's manageable, but it's not stable, it's not easy. You're telling me I'm trying, but it's not easy, right? By the end of this month we have the Chariot. Let's clarify this Chariot, honey. We have the Hanged Man, the Justice, and the Emperor. These are four major arcana cards. You're as you are in this determined energy of, no matter how many obstacles or challenges I'm going to face, I'm going to make something work out, I'm going to get the success and victory that I'm hoping for and waiting for. Your perspective is going to shift, your perspective, your point of view is going to change with each passing day, and you guys will be able to do the justice with yourself eventually. You guys will be able to take the charge of your life in your own hands, something that you were not able to do from a very very long time in your life. For some of you it's a struggle of last 7 to 9 years, where you guys wanted to make something happen. Let's say, for example, just an example, maybe it's the truth for you. For some of you, you guys wanted to start a business, and for that business thing, you might be not worried about the money thing. Maybe you were like, okay with the fact that you are going to get the money, you are going to get the loans and everything, but the courage, the strength, the determination, the power that you wanted from inside, that was not happening. You were struggling and struggling and struggling. Now by the end of this month you guys are going to be very very sure that this is it, I am going to make this shit happen no matter what. And when you are going to walk on this path, your perspective, your point of view, everything is going to change drastically. It's like your better version coming out. Okay, your best version coming out. You guys will be finally able to do justice with yourself, with your vision, with your goals, with your success, goal of success. And then you guys will be able to take the charge of the situation, of that whole situation in your own hands, and you guys are going to make sure that you are going to make that thing happen, period. Okay, that is your energy by the end of this month. Strong determination, strong energy of, I will make it happen. No matter how many times I'm going to fail, I'm going to make this happen. Okay. And that in itself is going to give you a lot of strength, a lot of energies of, I know what I have to do and I will do it at any cost. That's really cool. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cappies. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, the Empress. Yes, this mix of, this blend of, I have to keep my loved ones and my family also happy. You guys have to, you guys have to slow down a little bit. You guys are rushing towards towards each and everything. First of all, it's not your responsibility fully to keep everyone around you happy. Okay, everyone has their own journey. Everyone has their own path, and they have to follow that. No matter how hard you try to keep everyone happy in your life, that's not possible. First thing. Second thing, family is also important. So if you are going to keep yourself happy, if you are going to do really well in your life, if somebody loves you truly, they are going to be with you on that path, and they are going to celebrate it with you, instead of taking it as, okay, Capricorn is not giving time to me, they are not doing this for me, they are not doing that for me. They are going to understand your path, your journey, and your determination to make something happen. Okay, and once you are going to connect with your people who are really valuable to you, Once you are going to tell them your side of the story, what you are working on, you are creating something, you are giving birth to something really meaningful, something really huge. And I might not be able to be available for you guys 24 into 7, but I'm there. So basically, once you are going to reassure the people around you, the family around you, the conditions around you, that you are there for them whenever they need you, but you might not be available all the time, they are going to understand it if they are truly in love with you. If somebody is not able to understand your point of view, your journey, your path, I don't think so they deserve to be with you, or they deserve to be there for you, like just in your happiness or just in your good days. Okay, so the guidance here is, you can reassure to everyone, including your own self, that I am there for you whenever you need me. Right now, I'm on a path of creating something very meaningful, something very huge. It's going to take some time, and I might be busy there. Okay, that's a simple thing. And if they truly love you, they truly want to be with you, they are going to understand. And if they will not be able to understand it, it's time for you to take a break, maybe, or for the time being disconnect and go back whenever you feel like. Cool. This is tough. Sometimes it's very tough to make people understand, but I'm trying. Let's see. Final message for you guys from the angel oracles for this month. Keep your eyes on the big picture. See, I told you. Leave the details to others. Experience that leads to success, genuine concern for others. You are very concerned right now, Capricorn, that what if you will not be able to take care of those people who are very, very important for you, right? Tell them, be with them, but don't lose the sight of your success that you are really, really, really wanting to work on for from this much long time, right? Yeah, figure out other ways. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.